Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Aye. Reggae music brings peace in the world, yeah, man. Wake up on sunrise glow. Pack me bag and me ready fi go. One guitar, one drum, one draw. Me ride the wind without no law. From hills of Jamaica to coast of Spain, reggae rhythm run deep in a vein. Every stop a smile me find. People of earth, heart and mind. Me roll a spliff under olive tree. Meditate on life so free. Me see a youth in a desert land. He play Naya Bingy with gentle land. Me say brother this music true. He say Rasta love it live in you. Language different but soul align. Chant together time to time. Zion road trip forward still. One world sound, one heart will. From Kingston Street to Cape Town light, we blaze the fire through the night. No bother, no fear, just the vibe. Positive frequency keep we alive. Zion road trip, ride with me to the place where soul feel free. Me link with elders in Morocco, son. Them show me herbs, them pick by hand. Me mix the mint with mountain thyme. Inhale the earth, feel so divine. Drum beat echo through the cave. Ancient chant make me brave. Me carry the fire from place to place, spreading unity, roots and grace. In a Paris, me jam in a metro. Guitar lick sweet like calypso. Crowd gather, vibe explode. The rhythm break every code. From rooftop dance to seaside fire, we celebrate life, we lift it higher. Herb in a chalice, sound in the air. Rasta ride on everywhere. Zion road trip, forward still. One world sound, one heart will. From Kingston Street to Cape Town light, we blaze the fire through the night. No bother, no fear, just the vibe. Positive frequency keep we alive. Zion road trip, ride with me to the place where soul feel free. In a Tokyo, roots man spin. Old school vinyl, rubber dub in a the din. Me toast one verse, him nod and smile. Reggae bridge over 1,000 mile. In a Brazil, me sight the light. Samba mix with roots ignite. Me heart full, me spirit wide. Me walk Japat, me got the guide. So when me reach back on island ground, me bring the story in sweet rhythm sound. Me sit pan rock and chant again. For all the people me meet and gain. The Zion trip, a lifetime ride. Through island mist and ocean tide. If you hear this song and feel the call, come ride with Rasta, come one, come all. Zion road trip, forward still. One world sound, one heart will. From Kingston Street to Cape Town light, we blaze the fire through the night. No bother, no fear, just the vibe. Positive frequency keep we alive. Zion road trip, ride with me to the place where soul feel free.
So when life stress and storm blow hard, come to Rasta yard, come yard. Me pour your tea from Moonlight. kush me pick. Me chant a healing slow and tick. Light up chalice, let go fear. Inna the garden, Jah always near. Oh, na ganja with reggae music, yeah man. Inna me yard where the herbs grow free, under the moon and tamarind tree. Me plant me peace, me water soul. Me dig in the earth and me feel whole. No Babylon light, just jazz and beam. No concrete cage, just river stream. Every morning me greet the breeze, chant a psalm and rest in ease. Me not chase gold, me not chase fame. Me live simple, give thanks for name. One love, one pot, Ital flame. Cook with spice and ancient name. Me meditate in a early light. Me puff the chalice, mind take flight. Sound of bird and I a bingy drum. A me a heartbeat like ancient one. Welcome to Rasta Garden, where love are the only pardon. Come sit, come reason, come ease. Smoke the herb and feel the peace. Me say grow what feed your soul. Sing what make your spirit whole. Rasta Garden, place of light. Rest your worry, feel alright. Me see you them lost in digital smoke, but me burn the green, fi truth evoke. Inna the roots me find me way. Listen to the trees when them start fi pray. Me nah need clock, me move with sun. Me time divine, me rush fi none. Me play the rhythm with natural hand. From style to sound, me overstand. Them ask Rasta why you always smile. Me say me live fi each holy mile. Me garden feed me belly and mind. Me herb elevate and me vibe kind. No poison food, no plastic beat. Me walk barefoot Panja street. Rasta life a roots and bloom. Me spirit dancing at the moon. Welcome to Rasta Garden, where love are the only pardon. Come sit, come reason, come ease. Smoke the herb and feel the peace. Me say grow what feed your soul. Sing what make your spirit whole. Rasta Garden, place of light. Rest your worry, feel alright. Nah, smoke ganja and meditate, yeah, man. Oh yeah. Early morning, sun start rise. Birds are sing like in the skies. Me step barefoot on the earth cool. Drafting me chalice, me spiritual tool. Me roll up herbs in banana leaf. Me give thanks for life, me soul find peace. No nice, just breezing at the tree. Meditation come naturally. Inhale the smoke, exhale the pain. Feel the roots flow deep in a brain. Me sit by river, me heart beat slow. Me see your face where the waters flow. No phone, no screen, no fake delight. Just me and I and the holy light. I chant the psalms, me call your name. For wisdom, guidance, no money game. Mystic smoke, guide me soul. I am meditation, make I whole. From mountain top to valley deep. Rasta na fear, we not sleep. Mystic smoke, bring the light. Burn away darkness of the night. Herb healing, word is sound. Jah vibration all around. Me empress they within the grove. She pick herbs filled with temple stove. She say love is sacred, pure and slow. Me say yes queen, let it grow. She light the fire, boil bush tea. We chant together in harmony. chase fame. We live Ital clean in Jah name. Me feel Jah when me plant a seed. When rain fall and cleanse me need. Me hear truth in every drum. In a silence, wisdom come. Me no need church fi connect to source. Me walk with Jah, me stay the course. Me draw me herb, me close me eye. Me spirit float to Zion high. Mystic smoke, guide me soul. I am meditation, make I whole. From mountain top to valley deep. Rasta na fear, we no sleep. Mystic smoke, bring the light. Burn away darkness of the night. Herb a healing, word is sound. Jah vibration all around. Every puff a vision clear. Me sight ancestors them draw near. Them whisper truth from long ago. Out how we rise when we stay low. We burn the herbs in a sacred rite, and dreams reveal.
No, ganja inna the chalice, yeah, man.
Me rise up early in a golden light. No noise, no stress, just mountain sight. Me step outside with me chalice cup. Me inhale deep, just spirit wake me up. Me eyes half closed, me soul open wide. As nature chant, me heart a glide. No words needed in a this hour. Just wine bird song and ganja power. No shoes pan feet, me grounding real. Me sit pan stone, me start fi feel. The herbs guide me mind to peace, and all the worldly worries cease. Smoke and silence, no complication. Just me and Jah in a meditation. Me burn the leaf, me breathe in deep. Me rise above, me no lose sleep. High grade meditation, me daily bread. Me no follow crowd, me spirit lead. Me reason with trees, me listen the wind. Me chant for love and cleanse me sin. Me no need cathedral, no need gold. Me temple are within me soul unfold. Each puff a prayer, each cloud a sign. Me float in rhythm, me feel divine. Ganja heal me mind and skin. It open gates, feel look within. Me hear me ancestors, them whisper low. Keep it humble and let Jah grow. Me see me future in a smoke design. A clear path, all sacred, all aligned. Me no rush life, me take me pace. Me walk in truth, me walk in grace. Smoke and silence, no complication. Just me and Jah in a meditation. Me burn the leaf, me breathe in deep. Me rise above, me no lose sleep. High grade meditation, fire a burn. Fi in a balance, me daily turn. Me chant for joy, me chant for right. Me hold Jah light in darkest night. Me wake me farm, me chant me eat. Me live slow life, me stay complete. Me not envy Babylon bling. Me happy with me drum and the song me sing. Me cook ital, me sip on roots. Me chant psalms under star fruit shoots. Me reason with elders, me guide the youth. Me pass on wisdom, me live me truth. Me no wear crown, but me feel royal. Each day a gift, each breath vital. Me wear dreadlocks, me wear peace. Me walk Jah road until release. Me see this world a full of stress, but Rasta way bring happiness. Me herb sacred, me path clear. Jah presence strong, Jah voice near. So light it up and sit still. Let Jah take you up the hill. Let go worry, let go fight. Come hold a meditation light. Smoke, silence and a beat. That's how me soul and heaven meet. And in a me chant, me always find peace, love, and a clear our mind. Na 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 na. Kaya and music, yeah man. Inna the heart of the concrete land, me wake to horns and Babylon's hand, but me light me spliff, me give me praise, me chant for guidance through city maze. Me wear me dread like crown on head, me trot through street where hope seem dead, but me not fear no evil vibe. Me bring Jah light where shadows hide. Me see them run, them chase the pay, them lose them soul along the way, but me stay firm, me stand me ground. Me reggae beat still shake the town. Yeah, green smoke rising high in the sky. Jah know me spirit, Jah hear me cry. From rooftop high to subway line, me chant for love, me chant for sign. We are sitting no silent, but I find peace in the rhythm, me trouble cease. With ganja, fire and roots in chest, me meditate, me find me rest. Me reach me corner, me safe zone, me sit on rooftop all alone. Me roll it clean, me roll it tight, one spark and me soul ignite. Me close me eyes, me feel the beat, me levitate above the street. Me nah need plane, me nah need car, me fly with rhythm to Zion star. Me think bout life, me think bout now, how system try fi make man bow, but me resist in gentle way. Me live Ital, me smoke and pray. Ria, green smoke rising high in the sky, while sirens wail and pigeons fly. Me hold me peace inside me lungs, me sing me songs in ancient tongues. Nia, no preacher tell I what fi feel. Me herb a temple, me truth real. Me no escape, me face me scene, but still me rise in smoke so green. Inna the chaos, me still hear drum. Me heart a bassline, me soul a strum. Me walk with staff through Market Street. Me greet them youth, me drop them beat. Them ask Rasta, how you cope? Me say me whole faith, me burn me hope. Me herb is key, me chant is gate. Me vibe strong, me love no hate. The food me cook, it pure and true. Me drink me roots, me sip me brew. Me tell the youth, love yourself first. Babylon train you fi feel cursed. When the moon rise over tower light, me feel Jah presence hold me tight. No need fi mansion, me have stars. Me roll one more beneath the cars. Each puff a prayer, each draw a song. Me hold this liberty firm and strong. Me nah compete, me nah pretend. Me know Jah walk with I till end. So if you're lost in steel and stone, just light one up and trod alone. Listen fi rhythm pan traffic beat. Let the fire guide your feet. Zion echoes in the smoke we send. Truth arise and pain amen. Me city prayer, me herbal hymn. Me journey start from deep within. Feel it in it. sky still blue. Chalice light up, me thoughts feel true. In a bamboo groove, me soul retreat. Barefoot step, cool earth beneath me feet. Me draw from the pipe, exhale me pain. Me chant melodies in a smoke and rain. Bird them sing, tree them sway. Me heart beat in a Rasta way. Bamboo talk, me listen keen. Them whisper secrets seen and unseen. Me nah rush, me take it slow. Each breath a blessing, each puff me know. Me vision clear, no mist in sight. Me float in rhythm, hold your light. Me burn me fire in sacred shell. Me meditate where silence dwell. In a bamboo meditations, me find peace, me find vibrations. Me inhale truth, exhale fear. Me walk with sound, Jah always near. Smoke and sound, soul elevate. Me ride the wave, me shift me state. Bamboo breeze and mystic sound. Me feet levitate off the ground. Me sit in circle with me brethren them. Drum beat rise like lion anthem. We pass the pipe in reverence. Smoke curl up like incense. Me speak of dreams, them speak of stars. We talk about healing, about ancient scars. Me nah need screen, me nah need phone. Me need the forest, fi feel me own. Every leaf a teacher, every root a guide. Me overstand nature, me nah hide. Me soul in tune with bamboo's bend. It flex but never break me friend. So me live like that, humble and wise. Grounded in truth, high in the skies. Me burn herb not fi run away, but fi connect deeper every day. In a bamboo meditations, me find peace, me find vibrations. Me inhale truth, exhale fear. Me walk with sound, Jah always near. Smoke and sound, soul elevate. Me ride the wave, me shift me state. Bamboo breeze and mystic sound. Me feet levitate off the ground. Me tread the land with no distress. Me heart beat strong, me soul feel blessed. Me meet the elder with eyes so deep. Him set me youth, the mountain steep. But hold your name and burn it clean. Me see enough things that not be seen. So me sip me tea and chant me rhyme. Me reason deep, me lose all time. Me not preach, but me speak from heart. Me words are spark, me vibes are art. If you're lost, come sit beside. Light up spliff and ride the tide. Me give you rhythm, me give you flame. Me give you Rasta with no shame. From bamboo roots to clouds so high. Zion echoes echo in a sky.
Ganja is Rastasmans medicine, ya man. Ganja. Me rise up with sun pan me face. Me barefoot step on sacred place. No rush, no chase, no time fi war. Me move with the rhythm from near and far. Me ear drum beat deep in the earth. Ancient sound from long before birth. Me lock, me crown, me stretch, me hand, me feel Jah pulse move through the land. Me wrap me herb in banana leaf. Me chant one prayer for world relief. Me heart dance to the Naya bingy fire. This vibration lift me higher and higher. Rhythm of the roots, it a call me soul. Me step in a trance, me lose control.
Me dance for the love, me move for the light. Me chant in a rhythm all day and night. Roots like river, sound so true. Rhythm of the roots, it carry you. Me see me sister swing like tree. Me see me brother jump and free. We no need no diamond chain. Me only need the rhythm fi ease me brain. Me swing, me dread, me lift me chest. Me know Jah bless, me know me blessed. No Babylon tune can shake this core. This roots rhythm reach me to the core. Me sip some coconut fresh and sweet. Me feel the fire under me feet. Me drum, me chant, me spirit fly. Me link with Jah inna the open sky. Rasta no dance just for the show. We move with purpose, let it flow. We spin, we chant, we open gate. We free the mind, we drop the weight. Me like the chalice, me inhale deep. Me mind open wide, no time for sleep. This meditation come true base. It bring me back to Zion place. Rhythm of the roots make me levitate. Every step a blessing I carry it. Me chant in a rhythm, me smoke the truth. Me dance in a circle with Jah youth. No lie can break this unity. Rhythm of the roots, set I free. Nightfall come, firelight glow. Me people gather and spirit flow. Conga drum and bongo rise. We chant and praise under starlit skies. Me feel the ancestors in a beat. Them guide me foot, them move me feet. From Africa to Caribbean wave. This rhythm rise from German grave. Me see the lion, me see the lamb. Me hold me heart in a Japan. Me chant one love from me chest. In a rhythm, me soul rest.
Na na na, Zion lion is back, my Rastas. Darkness drop like Jah velvet robe. Me step on earth, feel the globe. No light but the stars and moon. Me heart beat steady, chant Jah tune. Me walk among trees, me barefoot free. Me spirit rise in a Zion decree. All them call breeze whisper low. Me hear Jah voice in a wind that blow. No Babylon nice, just silence pure. Me soul find strength, me mind secure. Me hold me spliff, give thanks for night. The urban moon, them shine me sight. Zion by moonlight, me soul take flight. No trouble here, just stars so bright. Me chant in the dark, me feel the flame. Me no need gold, me praise Jah name. By moonlight, me truly see what daylight hide come clear to me. Me sip on stone, me close me eyes. Me breathe deep, feel Jah in skies. Me no see wall, me no see chain. Me see love rise through Jah rain. Me reason with eye, me reason with tree. Me reason with stars that shine pon me. Them tell me truth that books no write. Them show me peace in Jah pure light. No illusion, no fast life spin. Just Rasta way, clean soul within. Me light one more pass to me brother. We share one flame, we light together. Me travel far without a step. Me soul go deep, me heart accept. Jah open gate where eyes can't see. In a moonlight code me find the key. Drum echo in a me chest. Me know this path, me know me blessed. No fear here, just sacred ground. Where Jah truth always be found. Zion by moonlight, no disguise. Me walk the path, me hear the cries, but in a silence me find the cure. Me realize what life is for. By moonlight me sing so clear. Jah love alone me carry near. Me see vision of warrior drum. Me see Zion children still to come. Them rise with love, not guns and fear. Them chant truth, them make it clear. Me see Naya Bindi fire burn. Them chant one love, Babylon turn. Me hear me grandmother voice again. Say child walk wise and feel the rain. Me bless me head, me hold the vibe. Me carry the rhythm, me keep the tribe. Me build me song like mountain tall. Me drop them verses like sacred call. Now sun peaks slow over hills so wide, but me still feel the moon inside. Me carry that light through daily strife. Me hold your peace, me hold your life. So when the world get loud and tight, me remember Zion by moonlight. Oh. Na 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 na. Give me the paper, yeah, man. Me live simple, me live clean. Me plate full of greens, me soul serene. Ital stew on fire slow. Coconut, yam, plantain fi grow. No processed food fi touch me hand. Me eat straight from Jah creation land. No MSG, no meat, no lie. Me food pure like the morning sky. Me mother teach me how fi cook. From nature's garden, not from book. Me use me herbs fi flavor true. Basil, thyme and mint leaf too. Yo, Ital is vital, me no joke. Me sip roots tonic when me smoke. Me eat fi heal, me chant fi rise. Me live the way that open eyes. No chemicals, me soul reject. Me cook with love and full respect. Italivity, it keep me strong. Rasta part where I belong. Food are the key to higher thought. What you eat affect what you sought. No junk, no fast food chain. Me stomach pure, me brain no strain. I tell me last sacred thing. It tune the body like Jah did bring. Avocado, callaloo, sorrel red. It uplift life, it no bring dread. Me cook with chant, me bless me plate. Me know me destiny, me know me fate. Me children learn this ancient way to keep them soul from stray away. Ital is vital, fire ablaze. Me cook in a love, me give Jah praise. Every part of meditation right. Me feed me body and me life. Me no need lab or factory man. Me trust Jah earth, Jah sacred plan. Ital wisdom, Rasta code. Me take it with me on the road. Me smoke me weed, me feel Jah near. Ital food make me vision clear. The two combine a holy link. Me sip me bush tea, me start to think. Ital and herb them guide me mind. In a meditation, truth me find. Me no need preacher, me no need class. Me find Jah through me roots and dross. Me no run down the fancy name. Me live with humble heart and flame. No big house fi bring me joy. Me garden and fire me real employ. Me cook outside, me sing a song. Me give thanks all year long. Me not stress pan what me will lack. Me full with love, me not look back. Ital food, ital soul. Me live for purpose, not for goal. And when me pass this way someday, me know me walk the Rasta it proud. Ganja burn and greens are steam. Me live in a real and holy dream. Roots and culture on me plate. Me elevate, me resonate. Zion call, me heart respond. Me live Ital, me soul band.
Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 me na 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 man. Hey, early morning light creep through me window. Birds are sing sweet hymns in the meadow. Me stretch me arms to the rising sun. Another day fi chant, another day begun. Me plant me foot on sacred earth. Me know Jah love from even birth. Me give thanks for the breeze and tree. Me give thanks for the life in me. Me light me chalice, me sip me tea. Me mind clear like Caribbean Sea. Me no run down hype nor goal. Me walk the path them ancient stone. One love still lives in each breath we take. Even in a system that try fi fake. Roots still grow and heart still beat. Truth still walk down Zion Street. One love still lives through drum and bass. In a Rasta chant and Jah embrace. From Kingston town to Mount Zion Hill, the fire still burn and always will. Me remember me youth and them reggae night. The rhythm anaconda full moonlight. Me father play vinyl and close him eye. Bob voice echo no woman no cry. Me hold them words like sacred prayer. Them carry me soul through worldly fear. Me nah need fame nor diamond chain. Just a liquor spliff and roots again. Me walk the road with humble pride. Me link with nature, job by me side. From waterfall to highest pine, me feel the universal line. One love still lives like fire in a breeze. Blow through leaves and whisper peace. Me see it shine in every face. Me feel it deep in drum beat bass. One love still lives, no system can kill. It rise in silence, strong and still. Me chant it loud, me sing it true. Me pass the flame from I to you. Imagine earth with no more war. Just sound systems and a star. Elders tell story, youths them learn. Fire burn bright but nah fi burn. Me vision clear, a village whole, where man and woman live in soul. Me hear Naya Bingi in a breeze. Me see just smile between the trees. Me share me fruit, me share me bread. Me bless the table where I'll get fed. Me no judge man by rank or race. Me only look on art and grace. So me chant, rise up, oh children true. The world await the light in you. Smoke your herb, but open your mind. Look inside, your heart will find. One love still lives. Now me close me eye, me see the flame, it never die. It just change name sometimes.
Na 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 Zion. Echoes is so high, man. Me enter temple, silence fall. Me spirit rise as me answer the call. Incense burn, me heart feel light. Me step inside Jah healing light. Me roll the herb, slow and wise. Me chant of psalm under mystic skies. One vibration warm. Me soul wrapped in Jah arm. Me no smoke for fun, me smoke for rise. Herb temple bring light to me eyes. Me meditate, me elevate. Me reach in a place where it can't wait. Me flow through rhythm slow and clean. Me dance in a vision me soul never seen. Me levitate pan healing base. Me see me truth, me find me space. In a herb temple, sound like prayer. Me chant and burn the smoking air. Me sing with lion, me sleep like lamb. Me hold the vibe like sacred psalm. No lies, no illusion, no separation. Just I and I in a meditation. Me no need no high rise wall. Me find Jah kingdom where leaf fall. Me pick the plant with humble heart. Me know this journey just the start. Me see the youth learn the code. How to grow love, enlighten Lord. Me teach the way, me share the fire. Me pass the chalice, me lift them higher. Inna the hills where time can't rule. Me build me temple, me just school. Me smoke for clarity, smoke for light. Me herb meditation bring me sight. Yo! So me light one more before me rest. Me give thanks for life, me know me bless. Me inhale truth, exhale stress. Herb temple guide me through the test.
By me boots, broad single men. Me rise with the breeze, silence in a me dome. Mountains whispering like ancestors call me home. Coconut tile palm me skin, me heart at ease. Me chanting a nature, me soul find peace. Birds a sing them sacred tune. Rasta bow to just sun and moon. No concrete, just earth beneath me feet. Ital food, sweet fruit me eat. This life a gift, me live it wise. Me eyes no blinded by Babylon lies. Me nah need no glitter, no gold. Me spirit rich, me heart stable. Roots and whispers guide I soul. Herb and drum make I whole. Me chant in silence, moving light. Jaja love me sacred right. Roots and whispers day and night. Me burn me fire, keep it bright. No system touch me meditation. Rasta walk with elevation. Me sip me tea from bush me grow. Me nah rush, I move slow. Rhythm from the hills playing a I brain. Every beat I wash like gentle rain. Me reason deep with me brethren. Both stars, both herbs, both where we've been. Each moment sacred, no time for waste. Me walk through Zion in perfect grace. Lion heart, serpent wise. Me see through many disguise. But me not preach it. Me preach one love like a dove. Rise from flames above. Roots and whispers make me fly. Me soul not chain, me spirit high. Me chant to Jah, me voice go far. Beyond the system, beyond the war. Roots and whispers pure and strong. Rasta live long, live strong. Me move like wind, me flow like stream. Me wake the people from Babylon dream. Beat the drum, light the flame. Call the ancestors, call them names. Selassie a guide I through this road. Me carry love, me carry code. No violence in a me meditation. Just balance art, vibration. Me plant herb, me plant hope. Me build ladder, me cut rope. Sometimes me cry for the world's pain. So me chant more to break the chain. Me not escape, me elevate. Me create space for ones to wake. This livity humble yet mighty. The breeze know I name the sky right. Me each leaf a scripture, each breeze a psalm. Me live in a silence but me heart stay warm. Me smoke one spliff, me close me eye. Me feel Jah presence in the sky. No preacher, no book, just connection. This reggae life is resurrection. Roots and whispers, hold I tight. Me soul walk free in a Jah light. Me rise with sun, me sleep with moon. Me dance for love, me chant me tune. Roots and whispers, whisper again. Teach the youth, guide the men. Me leave me words in a the breeze.
Nah, nah, nah. Smoke ganja with Rastaman.
Nah, nah, nah. Early light bless the hills, them gold. Me rise with the sun, me spirit bold. Wash me face in the river stream. Me cleanse me mind, me live me dream. No process thing, me food come raw. Ital way, me Anna Jala. Banana kalalu, coconut cream. Me nourish me temple, me live clean. Me spark a spliff with pure intention. Meditation, not just attention. No hype, just deep connection. Inna me chest, love's resurrection. Come on a ride with a Ital soul. Me heart beat warm, me eyes them all. Come chant a tune under Zion sky. In a pure vibration, me spirit fly. Ital soul, Ital fire. Burn Babylon eyes, elevate higher. Me no rush, me take time with me steps. Each breath sacred, each footstep blessed. Me hear the wind whisper ancient song, telling me Rasta, you're right where you belong. Me no own much, but me rich in peace. Me kitchen humble, still joy increase. Me take me drum, beat one rhythm. Me know who I am, me no need system. Them chase glitter, me whole wisdom. Them in a panic, me in Jah kingdom. Me dreadlock long like river flow. Me roots grow deep, them can't overthrow. In a smoke, me find clarity. Me no last, me rise in sincerity. Me chant psalms in a natural space. Me walk slow, me keep Jah pace. Me no need fast lane, me need peace. Me no buy chaos, me choose release. In the herb, me find me guide. In a Jah light, me always reside. Come on a ride with a Ital soul. Me cook up love in a coconut bowl. Me vibes them fresh, me thoughts them bright. Me step in truth from morn till night. Ital soul, Ital flame. Me carry no hate, me no play no game. Sit pan rock with me brethren them. Reason about life from way back when. No phone, no screen, just real talk. Rasta heart, long forest walk. We share fruits and split the herb. No fake smiles, we speak Jah word. We laugh, we cry, we sing them tunes. Under crescent moon we chant full moons. Me daughter dance barefoot in grass. Me son build strength like roots in a class. Them grow with wisdom, not just rule. Them learn Jah ways, not just school. So ride with me, Ital road long. But we sing life's truth like Rasta song. Me can't promise riches, me can't promise fame, but me offer freedom in Jah name. Me live simple, me heart stay wide. Jah compasses me in a guide. So if you seek light and peace inside, then welcome to the Ital soul ride.
Ay ay ay. Rastaman smoke high and grilled chicken, yeah man. Oh, 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 oh. In the silence of the night, me hear the call. Whispers from the trees, them rise and fall. Ancient spirits dance in a wind, telling stories about the fire within.
Me light a candle, chant a prayer, cleanse me soul from worldly fear. Me not chase no gold or fame. Me seek the truth, not play no game. Me feel the drum beat deep in me bones. Guide me path when me walk alone. The mystic fire, it blaze so bright, burning lies, revealing light. Mystic fire blaze up in me, show I the way, set a spirit free. In the dark I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's ark. Me climb the mountain, chant Rastafari, thunderclap and the eagle fly. Me hold a chalice, reason with star. No say Jah, never far. Babylon try fi confuse the youth, but me drop rhythm like holy truth. Me words them heal, them rise like tide. Even in pain me na run, me ride. Me wear me crown of fruits and leaf. Me live me days beyond belief. Meditation me daily food. Me walk with lion heart through the wood. Mystic fire blaze up in me, show I the way, set a spirit free. In the dark I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's ark. Oh yeah, yeah. When the world fall quiet, me still chant strong. Me know where me belong. Me heart beat like thunder drum. When the world fall quiet, me still chant strong. Yeah, when the world fall quiet, when the all them system try control me breath, but Rasta chant put lies to death. Me soul nah sell, me path divine. Me reason with trees and ancient sign. Them build the walls, me walk through still. Me hold firm, Jah give me will. Me skank through fire, me feel no flame. Cause me heart already team. Me voice echo in a valley deep. Awaken ones them long asleep. Me words like keys, unlock the mind. Set the chain soul free from bind. Me nah carry grudge, me carry grace. Me blaze herbs in a sacred place. Me lift me ends and give up praise to Jah who guide through all me days. Mystic fire blaze up in me, show I the way, set a spirit free. In the dark I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's ark. Mystic fire blaze up in me, show I the way, set a spirit free. In the dark I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's ark. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rastaman is so high in the jungle, yeah man. Me see her walk on Jah earth so fine. Barefoot queen like the stars she shine. She carry the wisdom of roots and vine. Her eyes reflect that love divine. Under the moonlight she roll the leaf. In a silence we find relief. No need for rush, we take it slow. Through urban chant our spirits grow. Rasta love whispers through the trees, like sacred wind upon the breeze. No need for words, me heart she know. Together we move where the rivers flow. See me queen, me natural vibe. No makeup, no lies, just pure tribe. We chant and laugh beneath just skies. Rasta love never fade, it never dies. Me tell her stories of stars and sand. She paint me future with her gentle hand. We light the chalice, give thanks and pray. Each sunrise bring a brighter day. She plant her food with care and song. She teach the youth what's right from wrong. Her voice like bird song in the trees. She bring me soul eternal peace. love more precious, never old. She hold me down like sacred ground. With every touch me joy is found. Light it up me empress true. Me sky turn blue when me sight of you. Rasta love no drama scene. Jah make me queen from roots so clean. Hold me hand, we blaze the way. With one heart, we nah go stray. Oh, Rasta love whispers in the night, like moonlight draped in soft delight. We nah fight, we nah pretend. We just flow like rivers bend. In a hammock or beneath the stars, we heal each other's deepest scars. No stress, no fear, no mask to wear. Just Rastafari love, forever there. Me empress crown, she wear it tall. She chant for peace, she pray for all. She guide me soul, she spark me fire. She lift me up, she take me higher. Through every storm, she not let go. She keep it steady, she make it flow. From Blue Mountain to Westmoreland, together we walk, hand in hand. We reason deep, we laugh out loud. We dance beneath each thundercloud. Our temple built on sacred ground, where only truthful hearts are found. So if you find a queen so true, hold her close, give thanks for who. Love that born from roots so deep is the love you always keep. Ay, 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 ay. Bamba cushion at the chalice, yeah, man. Sunrise a peek through me window pane. Me stretch and yawn, feel no pain. Me kettle boil, me chalice load. Ital breakfast pon the stove. Birds a sing, rhythm start fi play. Me give thanks fi Jah this beautiful day. Me step outside with me spliff in hand. The whole earth feel like promised land. Ganja morning, skank, skank all day. Bless up me soul in a natural way. Me spirit high like a mountain top. Reggae pan repeat, it nah go stop. We smoke, we laugh, we chant, we live. Me heart full up, God love forgive. No system stress can hold me down. Me wear me crown, Rasta in the town. The youth them gather for the corner side. One rhythm, one fire, one vibe inside. Me light the flame with conscious thought. Every pull of the herb bring what Babylon a taught. Me brethren play the Naya bingy drum. Sistren sing while the spirit come. We reason deep about life and fate. No hate round here, just clean slate. Me look pon the hills, feel Jah call. This life me live, me nah go fall. From the first spliff to me final breath, me walk with love, me nah fear death. Bless up the farmer, we grow it right. No chemicals, just pure sunlight. Me blaze it for healing, for truth, for joy. Ganja me weapon, me tool, me toy. Babylon say illegal, but me say free. This plan connect I to divinity. So skank with me, left worries behind. A Rastaman's joy, me easy to find. Ganja morning skank, wake up strong. The heartbeat beat to Jaja song. Me spirit rise like the burning flame. Me no need riches, me no need fame. We skank, we burn, we elevate. Me cleanse me mind, me meditate. Each puff a prayer, each step a dance. Rasta life,
now leave to chance. Now midday come sun a blaze full heat. Me shirt off barefoot feel concrete. Children laugh them run and play. Ital juice cool down me way. Me sit with me elders wisdom time. Them tell me truth in rhythm and rhyme. No rush you just know your lane. Ganja guide through joy and pain. Me take that in give thanks again. Me life simple me not chase fame. Me chase peace me chase one tone. Rastaman stand firm like stone. Ganja morning skank from dawn till night. Me soul shine bright in a holy light. Me walk me path with heart so free. Skank into the sound of liberty. We burn it slow, we sing it loud. We lift the vibe above the cloud. No worry here, just good vibration. Reggae love is me true salvation.